How to check violations on your Facebook page. In this video, I'll show you how to check for violations on your Facebook page using the Facebook app. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone, and make sure you're logged into the account that manages your Facebook page. Once you've switched to your page,
Tap on your profile icon.
now tap the three dots at the top right of the corner and select Page Status from the menu. Here, you'll be able to see whether your page is in good standing or if it has any violations under Facebook's community standards. If Facebook has detected any issues, tap on the violation to view more details. You'll be able to see whether the problem is related to a specific post or affects your page as a whole. You may also have the option to submit an appeal directly to Facebook if you believe the violation was applied by mistake. Additionally, the page status section can show whether your page is eligible for recommendations and monetization, along with any requirements you may need to meet. That's it! You've successfully learned how to check for violations on your Facebook page. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.